into mayingakusebenzeli. Into mayingakusebenzeli. Into mayingakusebenzeli uyayishintsha. In Zulu there's a saying that says if something does not work for you, you must change it. Into mayingakusebenzeli uyayishintsha. Sizoyishintsha sifake bani? Friends, it is lovely to be here with you today to share with you the DA's plan for KwaZulu-Natal. Francois, good morning to you, to all the councillors here, members of the community, ama-activists ethu, makhansela wonke siyanibingelela, umnandi bakhona. Namalungu emedia salibona la siyanibingelela. Today we are here to celebrate Human Rights Day. Ngoba usuku lamalungelo abantu. Kodwa, how can you celebrate when so many people in our province, in our country, are suffering? In 1994, we won the freedom to vote. So we never knew when we voted in 1994. Kodwa asikabi nawo ilungelo lokuphila ngendlela esifuna ukuphila ngayo. We may have won the freedom to vote, but South Africans have not won the freedom to live a life full of opportunities. Lapho umuntu nomuntu uzokwazi ukuphumelela empilweni yakhe. Where the color of your skin does not matter, where your gender does not matter, but it's only how hard you work. Yilento esilwelayo njengedemokhrasi yalayo. Ukuthi umuntu nomuntu noma eqhamuka noma ephuma noma ezalwa uzokwazi ukuphumelela empilweni yakhe.